My reaction to the archetypes was I was sort of in denial about being a ruler at first, and kind of did the test a few times and thought, okay, I identified as an accumulator. Definitely, I was like, yes, that sounds like me. I love to stash away my coins and think about where I'm going to make more money, and found it really hard to spend money on myself. Sometimes I felt really guilty about that. And then the accumulator and nurturer were about the same. And then the next one after that is celebrity. So it felt a bit like they're all fighting around each other, you know, the wanting to be more of a ruler and a nurturer. And I think sort of thinking about like real life people, like Beyonce was like probably a ruler, you know, and building your empire and being that person, and not always being liked as well. That was all kind of part of Money Bootcamp as well, you know, that kind of understanding that you have to sort of be your true self, I think was really important, I think.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.